Hello everyone. We were doing the chapter Arithmetic Progression. So we talked about the nth term of the sequence. Can anyone tell me what's the formula for the nth term? An.
A plus n minus 1 into
And we also talked about the formula Sn. What's the formula for sum of n terms?
n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into b.
Perfect. So we talked about a few tricks. We talked about three tricks. Today we'll move to the next one. Trick 4. Trick 4. This says that if I have one AP or even if I have two different APs, right? There are two things. One is term and one is sum of the term. One of it will be given and the other we need to find. First, if we are given ratio of sum of n terms and we want to find ratio of nth term, whatever that may be, or say mth term. So I have been given the ratio of one AP or two different APs. Okay. If it is one AP, then it will be the ratio of say nth term by mth term. The letters will be different. And if it is if it is two different APs, then the ratio of nth term of one AP divided by the ratio of nth term of another AP. In that case, what we do is, if I have the ratio of sum Sn, right, and I want to find out the ratio of nth term, we replace n by what you want to find. Suppose I want to find the ratio of 10th term. If I want to find the ratio of 10th term, then what I'll do is I'll take out the double of that and subtract 1. So I'll replace n by double of m minus 1. If I want to find the ratio of 10th term, I'll take 10 into 2, 20, 20 minus 1, 19. I'll replace n by 19. If I'm finding the ratio of 14th term, then I'll take 14th double 28, 28 minus 1, 27. So I'll replace n both in the numerator and the denominator by 27. So if the question comes out for MCQ, that the ratio of the sum of nth term of two different APs is 2n plus 1 by 3n plus 5. This is given. What we want to find is ratio of fifth term, right? If it is MCQ, then directly, what is the double? What I want to find is the ratio of fifth term. So double of 5, 10 minus 1. So I'm going to replace n by, since I want to find the ratio of fifth term. So in the question, the ratio that has been provided to us, we are going to replace n number of terms by
9.
double of 5 minus 1, that is 9. So if it is MCQ, we don't need to do anything. The required ratio will be, in this, whatever was presented to us, replace n by 9. So 2 into 9 plus 1 divided by 3 into 9 plus 5. So answer, 9 2 is 18 plus 1, 19. 9 3 is 27 plus 5, 32. That's my answer and we are done. I hope everybody understood this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For any question that is not an
Yes, ma'am.
MCQ, if the same question would have come and it is not an MCQ question, right? So question is, if sum of n terms of two different APs is 2n plus 1 upon 3n plus 5. Find ratio of fifth term. So what we'll do is, since we need to show the working, see the answer will still be the same. It's just what changes is the presentation, right? So since there are two different APs, we need to have different notations for their first term and common difference. So let small a and capital A be the first term and small d and capital D be the common difference of two APs. Given ratio of sum of n terms is 2n plus 1 upon 3n plus 5. So here, ratio of sum of n terms. So sum of n term formula, n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1d. Similarly, in the next AP also, the number of terms is same. What is different is the first term and the common difference. So twice of a plus n minus 1 into capital D. Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Now, replacing same. We replace n by double minus 1. That is 9. Same as the MCQ portion. It's just that not just in the RHS, we also need to do that in the LHS part. So, twice a 9 minus 1 8d. Twice a 9 minus 1 8d. 2 into 9 plus 1 by 3 into 9 plus 5. In the numerator, taking 2 common, as well as in the denominator, taking 2 common. This is 19 upon 32. A plus 4d is which term? A plus 4d is which term?
Fifth term.
So,
First.
ratio of fifth term of 2 APs. The answer is 19 upon 32. Is it understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Let's go to the question in exercise 6.2 again. Question number 24. Question number 24. If the sum of n terms of two different APs are in the ratio 3n plus 8 upon 7n plus 15, what will be the ratio of their 12th term? So if I want to find out the ratio of 12th term, then what am I supposed to replace? What am I supposed to replace if I want to find out the ratio of 12th term?
23.
23. 12 twos are 24 minus 1, 23. So we need to replace 23. Yes? Will you try it out, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ratio of the sum ratio of sum is given to be 3n plus 8 upon 7n plus 15. So same, let small a and capital A, same terminologies. 2a plus n minus 1d, here n by 2, twice a plus n minus 1, 3n plus 8 upon 7n plus 15. So replacing n by 23. So we'll have twice a plus 22d. This will be 2a plus 22d. 3 into 23 plus 8. 7 into 23 plus 50. Again, taking here 2 common. Right side answer.
7 by 16.
77 in the numerator.
176 in the denominator.
176.
So 2 gets cancelled. A plus 11d is 12th term. So this is a ratio of 12th term. And on the right hand side, we can cancel by 11. 11 sevens are 76, 11 ones are 11 and 6. So required answer is 7 upon 16. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Same. Can we move to 25th one? Can we all go to 25th one?
Yes, ma'am.
In 25th one, it says it's the ratio of the sum of m terms of an AP to the sum of n terms. So how many APs are we talking about? How many APs are we talking about? 1 or 2?
1.
1. So here we only need only one notations. Let small a and d be the first term and common difference of the two AP of the AP. So given ratio of sum of n term upon m term is m square by n square. First the formula Sn, n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1d. This will be m by 2, 2a plus m minus 1d. M square by n square. So now 2 gets cancelled. Yes. And what we are left with is 2a plus n minus 1d upon 2a plus m minus 1d, m square by n square. This m goes to the, my fault, I've written it wrong. My fault, my fault. None of you told me also. This part is wrong. It was sum of m upon n. So m by 2, 2a plus m minus 1d, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Left with 2a plus m minus 1d, 2a plus n minus 1d. This n goes to the numerator, this m comes to the denominator. Any doubt till here? Please look what I have written and then tell me yes or no.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So 2a plus m minus 1d upon 2a plus n minus 1d m by n. So what we want is the ratio of pth by qth. Numerator, I want the ratio of pth term, and in the denominator, I want the qth term. So can you all tell me what should I write? What should I replace? What should I replace?
2p minus 1.
In the numerator, we replace m by double 2p minus 1, and in the denominator, we replace 2q minus 1. So in the numerator, 2a plus, instead of m, 2p minus 1 minus 1d. In the denominator, 2a plus, 2q minus 1 minus 1d. 2p minus 1, 2q minus 1. Here, 2a plus, 2p minus 2d, 2a plus, 2q minus 2d. Here, first taking 2 common from the bracket. Now, again taking 2 common from the entire numerator. Taking 2 common from the entire denominator. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. A plus p minus 1d is what? AP. This
pth
is
term.
pth
Yes,
term
ma'am.
and this is qth term. That is 2p minus 1 upon 2q minus 1. This is what we wanted. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Done, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move to the next question. 26th first one. If a plus b plus c is not equal to 0 and these three terms are given in AP, prove that 1 upon a, 1 upon b and 1 upon c are also in AP. How do we prove that three terms are in AP? How do
By
we prove
common
that three
difference.
terms? Sorry?
Finding
Common
the
difference are
same
equal.
common difference.
Perfect. If the common differences are same. So given since b plus c by a, c plus a by b and a plus b by c are in AP. So from here, what am I supposed to get?
C plus A by B minus B plus C by A is equals to A plus B by C minus C plus A by B.
Thank you, Astha. Now, what we want to prove is 1 by A, 1 by B, 1 by C are in AP. So if I want this conclusion, then before this I should have that their difference is same. This is where I should land up. Do you all agree?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So let's
Yes,
try
ma'am.
to fill in the gaps in between. What should we do? Let's take LC. CA plus A square minus B square minus CB. AB plus B square minus C square minus AC by BC. So in these two, let's do a little factorization first. A square minus B square can be written as A plus B, A minus B. And in these two terms, we can take
C common.
C common. So we are left with A minus B. Similarly, in the right hand side, B square minus C square can be written as B plus C, B minus C. And in these two, I am taking B common, A common. Now, taking again A minus B common. A minus B common in the left side and B minus C common in the right hand side. Taking A minus B common, I'm left with A plus B plus C by AB. Here, taking B minus C common, I'm left with B plus C plus A by BC. So, from both the sides, we can cancel A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, yes?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Now, we are left with A minus B by AB equal B minus C by BC. Isn't this same? If I individually divide them, remove the LCM part, I'll get the same line. A by AB is 1 by B. B by AB is 1 by A. So I've isolated them basically. A by AB minus B by AB. B by BC minus C by BC. That is what I've done. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please try the second one. Try the second one.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm done.
Okay. Given A square, B square, C square are in AP. So from here, we are going to get their consecutive terms differencing. B square minus A square, same as C square minus B square. This can be written as B plus A, B minus C. This is C plus B, C minus B. Right? So from here, I can write B plus, let's leave a line because I'm not sure what I should write from here. Okay? Leaving a space. Now, sorry?
Ma'am, in question that is not in AP. We need to
Oh, my fault. Since 1 upon B plus C, 1 by C plus A, 1 by A plus B are in AP. So 1 by C plus A minus 1 by B plus C is same as 1 by A plus B minus 1 by C plus A. Let's take LCM. C plus A into B plus C. B plus C minus C plus A plus B into C plus A. C plus A minus A plus B. From both the sides, I can cancel C plus A. In the numerator, I'll get B minus C. Here I have B plus C. Here I'll get C minus B and this is A plus B. Cross multiplication. B minus A into A plus B. C minus B into B plus C. So this is A, B minus A, B plus A. B square minus A square is same as C square minus B square. That means these three terms are in AP. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll move to another variety of sum. But for that, we need to remember a certain assumption. What is that? No. See, there are many sums in which both A and D were missing. Neither the first term nor the common difference was there. So what we did is we used to find two equations, subtract them, get D, substitute, get A, and we have done that. It's a very similar question, but the approach is different. So if in an AP, both first term and common difference are missing. So both A and D are missing. So two variables are missing. So in order to find two variables, we'll also be provided with two equations. And if out of one of the two equation, one condition is sum of the term. Suppose there are three terms in an AP in which the sum is this. So if one of the condition that is provided is sum of the term and one of the condition provided is sum of terms. So what I want to do is when I use sum of the terms condition, I want that my D gets cancelled. And in order to do that, what I'm saying is, suppose there are three terms. Then let the three terms be, rather than taking a normal AP A plus D, A plus 2D, we'll take A. If the common difference is D, the next term would be A plus D and the preceding term will be A minus D. Are these three terms in AP?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes.
here A, the common difference between the three terms are D. Similarly, if four terms are given, so what I'll do is I'll take the common difference to be 2D. So that when I add them, they get cancelled. The D gets cancelled. So I'll remove A from between. A minus D and A plus D. A plus D. These are my two terms. A minus D and A plus 2D. A minus D and A plus 2D are my two terms. And taking common difference 2D, we also have two more. Adding 2D here, I'll get A plus 3D. Subtracting 3D here, I'll get A minus 3D. So these four terms are in AP. There the common difference is twice of D. And if I add them, the D gets vanished, right? So if in a question, both A and D are missing, and out of the two conditions provided to us to find A and D, one of the condition is sum of the term. Then we use these following terms to make our sum easier. It's not that you'll take a normal AP, you won't get. We will get an answer, but it becomes a little longer. Am I clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. Let's try 27, number 1. Find three numbers in AP whose sum is 21 and product 315. So there's no mention of A and D. So both are missing. And there are three terms, and to find them, we are given both the sum of the term condition. So here, what we will assume our terms to be?
A
A
minus
minus
A plus B.
Let the three terms be A minus D, A plus D. Given sum is 21. So A minus D plus A plus A plus D is 21. D gets cancelled. 3A is 21. So A would be 7. A is 7. Now use the second condition to find out D. Also, product of terms is 315. Product is A minus D, A plus D. This is 315. Let us put A equal to 7 here. 7 minus D, 7. 7 plus D, 315. Multiplying them, I get 49 minus D square. Divide 315 by 7. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. So 4 equal D square. From here, D will be plus minus 2. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Now, using both of them, we need to find the AP. A7, D2, and once A7, D minus 2. A minus D, 5. A7, A plus D, 9. A minus D, 7 minus of minus 2, 9. A7, A plus D, 5. So my three terms are 5, 7, and 9 in any order. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please try Roman 2. Try Roman 2. Number 2. Again, three terms. So let the terms be A minus D, A plus D. One of the condition is sum. Sum 24. If I add all the three, I'll get thrice it. So A would be 8. The second condition, sum of their squares. Can you tell me what does it mean? Sum of their squares.
A minus D square plus A square plus A plus D square equals to 194.
That is equal to 194. Let's put A equal to 8. 8 minus D square, 8 square. 8 plus D whole square, 194. These two. Twice of 64 plus D square, 194. 8 square goes there. Twice of 64 plus D square, 130. 64 plus D square is 65. D square is 1. So D would be plus minus 1. Yes?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
A8, D1. Let's find the terms. A minus D7, A8, A plus D9. A8, D minus 1. A minus D9. A would be 8 and A plus D7. So my three terms will be 7, 8, 9, any order. Clear?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, from 28, we all have word and situational problems. So, we'll read the question. We'll find out whether it forms an AP. What does it actually ask us to find? And using nth term or sum of the term, we are going to solve that situation. Yes? Question number 28. Here, the main thing is only identification. It's pretty easy otherwise. The income of a person is 3 lakh in the first year. He receives an increase of rupees 10,000 to his income per year for the next 19 years. In the first year, the income is 3 lakh. So in the second year, it is going to increase by 10,000. So it will become 3 lakh 10,000. In the third year, it will again increase by 10,000. So it will get to 3 lakh 20,000 and so on. Sequence of incomes will be 3 lakh, then adding it 3 lakh 10,000, 3 lakh 20,000 and so on. So is it an AP?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
it is an AP. What is the first term?
3 lakh.
3 lakh.
3 lakh.
Common difference?
10,000.
Since it was an increment, so it is plus 10,000. If it would have been decreasing, it would have been minus 10,000. It increases for the next 19 years. Find the total amount he received in 20 years. So find the total amount he received in 20 years. So what is N?
N is 20 years.
N is 20. And what do we need to find?
Yes,
Sn. Please do that. Find Sn. N by 2. 2a plus n minus
49.
2 into 3 lakh plus 19 into D.
Like 90,000.
Okay. $79 lakh. $79 lakh. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, 29. 29. A person was drawing a monthly salary of 12,000 of 1,25,000 in the 11th year of service and a salary of 1,45,000 in the 19th year. Given that pension is half the salary at retirement time, find his monthly pension if he had put up in 25 years of service before retirement. So the person worked for 25 years. In the 11th year, the salary was 1,25,000. In the 19th year, it was 1,45,000. So first, what we want to find is the salary at retirement because pension is going to be half of that. So can you tell me what is provided to us?
Ma'am, A11 and A19.
Very good. Thank you, Rachit. A11, 1,25,000 and A19, 1,45,000. So from here, let us first find out A and D. A plus 10D. This is A plus 18D. Let's subtract them. 8D will be 20,000. So D will be 2,500. Let us put it in any one equation. A plus 25,000 is 1,25,000. So first salary is 1 lakh. So we are done with A and D. Now what do we need to find? What do we need to find? What do we
Monthly
need?
benefit.
The salary at the retirement. Retirement was at 25 years, so we need to find A 25. A plus 24D. 1 lakh plus 24 into 2500. 1,60,000. Now, this is not what they asked us to find. They asked us the pension, and pension was half of the retirement salary. So, what would be the pension then?
80,000.
825 by 2, ma'am.
Sorry, how much?
80,000 rupees.
Yeah. Everybody got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Done, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 30. A man saved rupees 66,000 in 20 years. In each succeeding year after the first year, he saved 200 more than what he did in the previous year. How much did he save in the first year? So here, what is given?
S20 and common difference.
Sn is 66,000. N is 20 years. Common difference, since it's increasing, it is plus 200. What we want to find is A. So S n by 2. 2A n minus 1 into D. What is A? What is A?
1,400.
Perfect.
1,400.
1,400.
1,400.
31. A man accepts a position with an initial salary. So A is 5,200. It is understood that he'll receive an automatic increase of 320 in the next month. So D is plus 320 each month thereafter. Find his salary for the 10th month. So we want to find A10. That is A plus 90. Answer?
180.
8,080. Second, total earning during the first year. So what do we need to find?
S12.
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 So N by 2, 2A N minus 1 into D. Answer?
83,520.
83,520.
Next. 32. A man buys every year National Savings Certificate of value exceeding the last year purchase by 5,000. So common difference is plus 5,000. After 10 years, he finds that the total face value of certificates purchased by him is 2,75,000. What is 2,75,000?
S10.
S10.
Yes, 2,75,000. N is 10 years. What we want to find is A. So 2,75,000. N by 2. 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Answer of A.
5,000 rupees.
Very good. A is 5,000. Yes? $33. An NGO wants to invest rupees 3 lakh in a bond which pays 5% annual interest first year, 6% second year, 7% third year, and so on. The interest received per year is to be utilized for the education of poor people. If the investment is done for 10 years, what is the total interest received? So here, instead of the amount, the AP is formed for interest. The first time, in the first year, the interest was 5. Then in the second year, it is 6. In the third year, it is 7. So basically, common difference is 1. Number of year is 10. So first, let us find out 8, 10. A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So 40. So the rate would be 14%. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So can you tell me what are we supposed to find now? Find the total interest received by NGO. Okay, sorry. Again, sorry. So what is the first year's interest? What is the first year's interest?
5.
5%.
5% of 3 lakh. Answer.
15,000.
What is the interest for the second year?
6%.
So 18,000. Common difference is 3,000. Can you tell me what am I supposed to find?
S10.
Yes, 10.
Yes,
S.
10.
So n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 and 2t. Answer.
2,85,000.
2,85,000.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.